So hope you are all are doing good. Today I'm going to explain you how to write customize XPath very precisely without using any dynamic coming values in the browser. So to explain this, I will take make my trip example application example. So here you can just go to here, and here let me take some radio button called either one way or round trip. So what I do is I'll just select this one way, and now I want to perform click on round trip. To perform a click on round trip, so using Selenium code, what do I need? I need an XPath. So let's identify this element. Right click on this, go to inspect. So it will open the developer tool. So the window which opens it is called developer tool. Okay, so here you will see like this is the round trip. So when I have to write an XPath, customize XPaths for this, some tutorials suggest like right click, go to copy and then copy full XPath and all those things or copy XPath. So that is one like just to know like for your learning purpose. But when it comes to a real automation project where you are working for one client or once you have a good experience, then you cannot do that activities. So what you have to do is you have to write your customized XPath so that it runs without any n number of time unless there is no change on the particular object. So what you have to do is press Control F. So once you press Control F, this window will be opened over here. So here you can write the XPath. So to start with XPath, double slash. You can see like this. This is a round trip, and where is radio button? So let me just okay. This is the other one. Let me just expand this. Okay. So if I expand this one here, so this is a span. So if I click on span, it is going to click. So for a few people, what they do is they just select this class and they write XPath like span at the rate class equals. So this is what happens. So the span and all of this class, right? This comes from CSS. When during the creation of this web applications, the developer have written some CSS classes. So this class is that. This is a CSS class, and here you can see like this 5 value. It is it is a number. So it is generated auto generated by the browser when it is creating this web application. So when you use such dynamic values to write your XPath, your test case may not run next time because this value would be changed when you relaunch the application. Okay, let me just reload it. Let's see if it comes. I'm going to inspect. Okay, in this case it has not changed. It has not changed, but there is no guarantee that it will be always same. Okay, so there is two cases. One is you can see here data -cy is equal to round trip. You can use this or you can use text from this. So first I will write using this li. I will select this entirely. I will come over here. It is an li, open and close square bracket here at the rate data cy is equal to round trip. So this is one way you can do. The other way is using the span, whatever the text, based on the text it is available here. If you want to use this particular text, so then what you can do is you are looking for a span which has text function is equal to round trip. Okay, it may not be a span. Let me check that. Where it went. Inspect. span, or you can use star. Okay, so the span, okay, this is the span. Span, there is no data, it is belongs to li. So instead of li star, if I use li also, it works. So this is how to write an customized XPath. So this shows the how do you write your XPath precisely. That shows how much experience you have. So when you're working for a project or when you are giving an interview, just make sure when an interviewer asks you to write an XPath on any web element in an application, so always use very precise XPath through which our test case will never break. So don't ever use dynamically created class values or ID values, which will be keep changing. Okay, so all the best if you're giving an any interview, and all the best if you're working on real time project. Yeah, thank you. Meet you in the next session.